The lumbar oblique. Let me show you how to measure for lumbar oblique. This is one of the things everybody gets wrong. The swimmers and lumbar oblique, everybody gets wrong. So, okay, turn facing that wall. We're going to find the spine. Your central ray is going to pass through the spine, whether it's anterior or posterior oblique. So I'm going to start with my caliper on the spine. Lift your arms up, please. And then rotate the caliper 45 degrees. That's the path the central ray will take through the body. It says measure obliquely, and that's what you're doing, is you're measuring that oblique path through the body. Okay? And it doesn't matter which oblique you're doing. You don't have to measure on the side that you're going to be setting up. It doesn't matter. Okay? Now, step. What I want you to do is put your heels on that blue line. Step in to touch this. Okay, now which parts am I going to see in this position?
Which part are you going
Right.
You're going to see the side that's close, because what you're trying to do is turn that part so that it's parallel to the film. So that one would be parallel. That's the one you're going to look at, the one that's closest. Posterior oblique lumbars, you see the side that's closest to the film. Okay? For the oblique, it's going to say, do the lumbar oblique that demonstrates, and I'll have either right parts or left parts on there. Now, how you do that is up to you. Whether you do posterior, anterior obliques, it doesn't matter. You just have to do the one that demonstrates the pars I ask you to demonstrate. That's it. Okay? Central ray on this one. Find the iliac crest, about 1 inch above. So we got a theme going here. AP lumbosacral, lateral lumbosacral, lumbar oblique. Your central ray is going to be 1 inch above the iliac crest. That's all of those, 1 inch above the iliac crest. Okay? Now, the collimation, the vertical part of the beam, you should find the ASIS and then enter about 1.5 inches medial to the ASIS. And she's already positioned that way. I'm not going to move her because she's already in that position. So the vertical line is 1.5 inches medial to the ASIS. That's on the side that's closest to the tube. Okay, I'm going to collimate. I've got a 10 by 12 in here, and I could use a 10 by 12 and then collimate 9 by 11, but the lab manual tells you to use 14 by 17, so that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to collimate 11 by 14. Make sure your central ray is in the middle of your film. And then mark your film. I've got 11 by 14 field. That means I've got about 2 inches border on the side here. So I'm going to measure in a couple inches and put my marker right directly on the film there. And I'll be in the field. Okay?